weather bulletin. For the following counties, in Pennsylvania, Allegheny and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, West Central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monroeville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include